Hey guys, in this video, let me share you how to add another account on your WhatsApp. So you can use your two WhatsApp accounts in the same Android phone and you can switch between these two WhatsApp accounts easily. So for this, firstly, just open your WhatsApp. Now here, click on the three dot menu and go to the settings. Now click on the account. Now here you will see the option add account. Click on the add account. Now you can see the option add WhatsApp account. Click on this. Now just click on agree and continue. Now enter your another WhatsApp number. Now you have to enter the two-step verification. So finally, once that done, so if you want to restore or transfer chat from the backup or you can transfer from the old phone like that, just click on the continue. I have already created the backup. Regarding the backup, make sure if you have another WhatsApp account and that WhatsApp account backed up to which Google Gmail ID, that Gmail ID to be added in your Android phone, in your current Android phone, then only the backup will be restored easily. So now the restore has been completed. Now just click on the next, click on the next. Now the WhatsApp account is added. So you have to just enter the two-step verification initially. Now your second WhatsApp account is added. Now to switch to WhatsApp account, click on this three dot menu. Now here is the option switch account. Click on this. Now it shows switched to this number. And similarly, you can again click on the switch account. Now it again switched to this number. So like this, you can switch to the two WhatsApp account in the same Android phone easily. And still, if you not get this feature means, make sure you are updated the WhatsApp to the latest version. And in case if you want to remove your any of the WhatsApp account means, click on the three dot menu and go to the settings and click on the account, and here is the option remove account. Click on this. You can remove the latest added account. So here is the latest added WhatsApp account. You can just click on the remove account. That's it.